Hello all. This is a small demonstration of nested dictionaries. As you can see on the screen, I have just captured a JSON response of a location, and as you know that the JSON response is obviously a dictionary which has the keys and the values. So I have just captured this JSON response, and I'm just storing it in a variable called as response. So when I do a print of that and run that, you can see that we are going to get the whole dictionary itself. So how do I access these elements? How do I access the latitude, longitude, which is a nested dictionary? This is a perfect example of a nested dictionary actually. So let me show you that. I'm just going to print a new line here, then print response of location. So any idea what does this one do? So this is going to give, this is the this I'm trying to access the key location. So this has to give me this value. This is the value for this key. So let me run this again. So when I run that, you can see that I'm getting the latitude and longitude, which happens to be the value of this key location. So similarly, if you want to access latitude and longitude, which is again a sub dictionary or a nested dictionary, this is how you can do that. It's very simple. Print response of location. Okay, and you want to access the latitude. So latitude. Similarly, if you can access the longitude. So let's run this code and see what do we get. Yeah, perfect. So we have successfully accessed the value of location, and we have successfully accessed the value of latitude and longitude. So in case you want to access other elements which is not part of the nested dictionary, you can do that as well. Print a response of, say I want to access the date, and let me access a response of, say, sunrise. So this should do the trick. So see, I've accessed the date and I have accessed the sunrise. So I think this should give you an heads up or a hint on how to use nested dictionary, how to access the values within that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.